breathtaking worlds. Step into deep roleplay. Dance under neon skies. And make the metaverse your home.
Explode a good without waste provided by my in the code blocks. Now here I'll use we actually have an option for the Win30. Not really make any difference, you choose either one of them. So I'll use C++ as the language and project title. Erase all the windows.h header files. And then we need winmain. So it takes a set of arguments, and before you supply the arguments, you need to know that it takes a calling convention, which is win API. So this is defined as you can check it here, __ std call. So this calling convention you need to supply here, because actually if you do not know what the calling convention is, you can look up on Google about it, but I'll tell you that it just tells how the arguments are passed into the function or how the values are returned. That's all you need to know, and you should just keep it here. It needs to be here. And then the function winmain, this is the entry point, and it takes a set of arguments. You just copy all of them as it is. I'll explain them in a while. And then is the so this is the entry point of our application, and let's return some value out of it because the return type is integer. So we have our entry point here. Now we can start defining stuff. So before we start with creating a window, which actually requires a lot of code, we can actually check if we have a working API using the message box function, which displays a message box on the screen with the text we pass into it. So the first argument is the HWND type definition. It is a type definition actually. It is the window handler. So the window handler of the parent window we need to specify here, but since our message box has no parent window and it is independent, we'll pass a null value into it. Then the next argument is the text, which is of the form lpcstr, which is just array of characters. So we just pass a string here, the text, and the next argument is of the same type, which is the caption of the message box. So my first GUI, and the next argument is the type of the message box. So there are various types of message boxes, one of them being message box underscore OK, or you can always experiment yourself and try other values for this. So we'll just keep MB OK, so the message box of the type OK. So we'll build and run our check if we have any errors. We do not have any errors, and there is our first GUI application, which is just a message box which has popped up, and the text and the caption and a single OK button, and this will close the application. So the message box closes and the application terminates. So this is all about the so we do have a working API now, and we can move on with creating window. So before that, I'll explain the arguments passed into the win main function. So first argument is the H instance. So this is the instance of our application. So you can just think of it as an ID for our application, which is passed by the operating system. So we actually ask the operating system tells us the instance of our application. We accept this as an argument because we need to use this while creating windows. We need to pass this instance as the argument, so that, like, this is the instance of our application. We need to pass it into a window class before we create a window. And so the next variable, the previous instance, we'll just ignore it right now. And then there is this string argument. So lpstr is also a type definition for characters. So this is the command line arguments. These are the arguments passed into the program in the command line. And then there's this ncmd show. It is also takes care of some command line stuff, although we do not need to worry about it right now. This actually takes care is passed in from the command line, and it tells us how the window should be displayed, maximized, minimized, or whatever, but we'll just ignore it here and we'll display a window. How we display the window is on ourselves, and we will not use this variable anyways. So we'll just move on now with creating a window. So a window is created from a registered window class. So we'll first create a window class that holds the data for the window, and then we'll register the window class, and then we can create multiple windows from that class. So to create a window class, you first need to define the structure window class, and there are various, but the one we're going to use is window class W, which has a WNs, and you can look up on documentation of the Win32 API and check what other of these are for, but the one we're going to use here is this one. And let's define a variable for this, and actually this is a structure, so we need to assign to all of its elements initially, and now we'll assign some values to all of its elements accordingly. So it has a lot of members, so the ones we need to define here are HBR